Hi guys, so I asked you to read pages 7 through 9, and our question that we were looking at is what is the first thing that you need to become a superhero? So this paragraph here on page 7, it tells you first you need a superpower. So many of you may have picked that for your answer, and it is the first thing listed. But if you read further, it says maybe you're super strong or can see through walls. Perhaps you're really good at something, like solving mysteries. All you need is a little imagination. Right there. All you need is a little imagination. And so that is actually the first thing you need to become a superhero. And the way you should have written their answer is the first thing you need to become a superhero is an imagination. So the other thing that we looked at and talked about is I told you guys to look out for more contractions. And I see some here. Right here, your is a contraction for you are. Its is a contraction for it is. Can't is cannot. It's again. Here we have can't. And here they put it is, and then they put its. Here's that's for that is. Okay, so those are our contractions, which were the words, two words that are combined with an apostrophe and the removal of one or two letters from the word. The other types of word I talked to you about were the words here, superhero, anybody. We talked about those the first day, and then I talked about them again yesterday, and those are our compound words. And remember, compound words are two or more words put together to form a new word with a new meaning. So we went over superhero, we went over superpower, superhuman, everyone. So as I was reading the pages that I asked you guys to read, I saw superhero, anybody. On this page here, I found superpower and super strong. On this page, I found superhero. And all of those were our compound words. So those were the word work that we talked about, was our contractions and our compound words. So what you are going to do for today is you are going to read the rest of the story, which is page 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, and 15. So you'll have today and tomorrow to read it. And I want you to keep looking for your compound words and your contractions. And I will post some comprehension questions for you to answer, for me to check on your comprehension of this story. So go ahead and finish reading it up, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the story. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.